2026 Honda Accord Sedan. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, backup camera, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.